So, are you ready to kickstart your software career with a real global leader? Today, we're diving deep into the software engineer I role at Honeywell. This is a fantastic opportunity, especially for recent graduates. We're going to cover exactly what they're looking for, what you'll actually be doing, and of course, how to nail that application.
All right, let's get right to the point. Here are the key details you need to know. The role is in Bangalore, and check this out. It's open to a super wide range of graduates from the 2022 batch all the way to 2025. That, plus the 0 to 1 year experience requirement, tells you something really important. Honeywell is hiring for your potential. The expected salary is around 3 to 5 lakhs per annum, which is a really solid starting point for a fresher.
So what is Honeywell all about? Well, they're not just some random company. They're working on some of the biggest challenges out there. Think automation, the future of flying, and the global shift in energy. What does that mean for you as a new software engineer? It means your code isn't just for an app. It could be part of a system making buildings smarter or supply chains way more efficient. You get to work on real, tangible problems right from day one.
Okay, so do you have what it takes? Let's break down the exact qualifications Honeywell is on the lookout for. This way, you can see just how your profile stacks up. Now this slide is super important. On the left, you've got the absolute must-haves, a technical degree and some real hands-on coding experience. But look to the right, that's where you can really make yourself stand out. Why do they care about things like advanced degrees or problem-solving skills? Well, it shows you can handle those complex challenges we just talked about. If you've got these skills, you need to make them shine on your resume. Let's talk tech stack. Honeywell wants a solid foundation in either Java, C#, or Python. Now, these are all serious enterprise-level languages, which gives you a big clue about the kind of large-scale systems you'll be working on. Here's a tip. Don't just list the language on your resume. Talk about a specific project where you used it. Maybe it was a university project in Java, or a personal app you built with Python. Those concrete examples, they make all the difference.
Okay, so you've ticked the eligibility boxes. But what does the job actually feel like? Let's take a peek at the day-to-day responsibilities.
Looking at this list, you can see the job really has two main parts. First, you've got the core technical work, right? Developing, maintaining, debugging, all that good stuff. But the second part is just as important, collaboration. You'll be working with different teams, doing code reviews, designing solutions, which means your communication skills have got to be sharp. This is a role where both your coding and your people skills are going to grow. A lot.
So, are you convinced this is the right move for you? Excellent. Now for the most critical part, actually getting your application in. Here's your step-by-step guide to doing it right.
As you can see, it's a pretty standard online process. But the key here really is attention to detail. Before you hit that submit button on the final step, please triple-check everything. A silly little typo can leave a bad impression. And here's a pro tip. Make sure the resume you upload is customized for this role. Highlight the specific skills and projects we've been talking about.
Hey, if this breakdown of the Honeywell opportunity was helpful, just imagine getting this kind of analysis for all the top tech jobs for freshers. Do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on the next big opening for your career.
So, at the end of the day, it really comes down to this one question. Are you ready to use your skills to help solve some of the world's biggest and most complex challenges? If the answer is a big yes, then what are you waiting for? It's time to get that application ready. Good luck.